What up, Deep Game? Deep3 here with another Deep3 reviews. Today we're going to be revisiting Lootie. We haven't done this in a while. It's been a couple months, right? Oh yeah, last time we won some Hanes Supreme socks. I got those in the mail. And also some Supreme Band-Aids. They actually came in. So, you know, I already knew that would happen. But for those of you out there that do not believe that it's legit, it is. I've won other items in the past and they have all been sent out to me. For the most part. After all, I mean, technically this is gambling, so you need to be 18 years of age or older. I believe it's 18 or 21, something like that. But, you know, you can find out in their little rules below. If you want a free box, by the way, my promo code Deep3 will allow you to open a free box if you're a new member or new account. So go ahead and do that if you haven't already. So what we need to do here is open some boxes. I'm gonna throw some money in the account right now, and hey, maybe we will get some nice stuff. I'm on a shoe hunt. Now I've thrown in $100-something in my account, so we have that to work with. Don't know what to go for. I see a new watch box here, so that looks kind of cool. I'm a big fan of having watches and wearing watches. The worst thing we get is a generic $5 digital watch. That would be the saddest thing to get ever. And that is like 73% of it. Oh my goodness. But we could also hit a yoink fashion watch. Okay. A lot of these watches suck. Let's be real here. If we don't get anything over a G-Shock, it's a dud box. Maybe we'll revisit this one. Nah, what are we kidding? We're here to open boxes. Let's just go for it right now. $29.99. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, by the way, because opening these is not cheap. Doing these videos is not cheap. And if you guys like watching me throw money away for your entertainment, do that now. It means a lot. Let's go. Ooh, haven't heard that sound in a minute. Come on! Give me a Rolex. Rolex, Rolex, Rolex. Stop, stop. Yo! Nice. We hit a G-Shock on the first one. Let's go! First spin. Welcome back. I am going to keep that. Like, we're done here. We're done on this box. We're good. 80 bucks left in the tank. Where do we want to go next? Maybe this little new Amazon mystery box. We gotta check out all these new boxes, right? Risky sneakers. That's not new. But hey. Ooh, $5 box. Amazon mystery. What's the worst thing we can get? Because that's my favorite thing to look at. It's obviously a sticker. We got some Nintendo Joy-Con, a steering wheel, a Switch Lite thing, Last of Us, some cables. Who knows, maybe we'll hit a TV or a MacBook. Just gonna go for it. Let's spin it 3 times because you know I am Deep3 and we go for it. Come on, big money. No sticker? No sticker? Stop at the cable. I'm good with the cable. Alright. 2 more spins. Let's try again. It is a very low chance to win on these cheaper boxes. If you haven't seen my past videos, I've done opening 199-cent boxes and also done like a ton of $5 box spins and got nothing from those videos, by the way. It's that brutal. 3rd try. If we don't get anything, we're out. No problem. Wouldn't mind this razor blade stealth. That'd be great. I don't even care what model it is. I just want it. Oh, Oculus. That'd be good too. Oh, so close. We got a no many Bluetooth speaker. Only slightly better than what the bottom is. Let's be real. We don't want that. It's trash. It's junk. Just gonna throw that out the window and we're gonna move on. Maybe Supreme Lucky. I do like wearing red. The worst thing we can get is a sticker, so who knows. Let's just go for 3 spins as usual because we're Deep3. I've already got the band-aids, so that would be a bummer to get that again. And I honestly don't want it. I'd rather have clothing. Stickers would be the worst, as we see here. But, alright, we're going again. Supreme me up. I want to be a hype beast. I want to look like a hype beast. Wallet? We'll take that. No? Oof. Man, we're surrounded by wallets. Third and final spin. Please. Please! Come on. There's no yellow here. Oh, gosh. The one sticker that pops up at the end. That's pretty brutal. Anything else under streetwear? There's budget. The budget one. Hey, maybe our odds are better here. The sticker's still there. Post-its. Other garbage. Underwear? Hey, I could use some new underwear, but it's Hanes. So, we got the socks before. But honestly, I'm actually wearing these socks. And they wear out really fast. I would really just want the top end here, like the hoodie and stuff. Or the backpack, duffel. Let's try one spin though. It won't hurt, right? It won't hurt, right? Yeah, it's hurting. Okay. One more spin here. Come on. This might be a quick video. Didn't expect to win something on the first spin. Okay, stickers again. I get it. That's how you roll. I see it. I see you. Let's go for the third spin, of course. Come on. Number 3. I'm just going to close my eyes on this one. Oh. Click, 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 click. No stickers. What do we got here? Sticker. Damn. Alright. Whew. Not cool. About 39 bucks left in the tank. Let's try this one here. Yeah, let's just go for some off-white lucky. 3 spins. Wouldn't mind an off-white belt. Still trying to get one of those. Off-white pillow custom would be cool. Oh my god. Hey, we hit the phone case. iPhone 11 off-white phone case. Honestly, I don't want it, but we can sell it for 25 and we are back up. And I'm gonna go again. That was really close for these Air Force Ones. I would have went insane there. Oh, if there was only a little bit of more momentum, that would have been incredible right there. Second spin. We got the stickers. We're back on Earth. The shoes again, they're coming up. We got most of our money back on this spin too. Let's go. Last spin. Or third spin, I guess, for this box. Off-white lucky definitely hit for us. We are up, you know, around 20 bucks after this spin. And air quotes sticker. By the way, I don't think they ever ship these stickers. They're just like placeholders. I've never had them ship a sticker. I don't think they ever do ship the stickers because it's just a waste of money and time for them. So don't go for that. We have 54 in the tank. I think we can go to Jordan Heaven. I think that'll be a fun one. I like shoes. I always review shoes. We have some stickers here, of course. I mean, if we hit flip-flops, that's cool. We obviously want the shoes. Let's just go for it. We have enough to do 2 spins here. Fingers crossed. No stickers. Don't do that to me. Come on, Lootie. Don't do that to me. Oh, take the slippers. Come on. Oh, $3 sticker. That is a feels bad moment there, if I do say so myself. We might even get a third spin out of this. Let's go. Spin number 2. Hey. Spin number 2. Spin number 2. Give me the shoe. Give me the shoe. Stop! Come on! Oh, man! Oh. Okay. We have 21 bucks left in the account. We're gonna use it on one final spin. This is probably a terrible idea, but you know, it's for you guys. So hit that subscribe button. Pray to whatever lords and gods you want for me. I don't know what I'm hitting here. Open for $19.99. Final spin. Go. Oh! Cross, cross, pray, pray, pray. Cross, 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 pray, pray, pray. Cross, 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 pray, pray, pray. Stop! Come on, go back the other way! Oh no. That's the worst sticker of them all, and they won't even send it to me. Ugh. That's brutal. Nikkei. Let's go for Nike. I don't mind hitting some Blazers. These shoes are pretty whack, but hey, I'll take them if I hit them. I'm not really complaining. I think our chance of winning with a 99-cent box is almost always 1% or under 1%. So we're going to spin out the rest of these to end this video. Appreciate you guys for watching. And again, if you want to try it out, promo code Deep3 for new members. And if you want to watch more openings, I should have more on the channel. Oh, I should have more on the channel. And I do these regularly. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see me do more. Or if you want to see me open from somewhere else, I can also do that. Oh, that was really cool. Some heart stoppers on these shoe openings, you know? They're just teasing me. Oh my goodness. Come on. Blazers? I'll take Blazers. I like Blazers. I don't have a pair. Alright. Come on. Come on. We have a few more spins left in us. Probably 3 more. 2 or 3 more. I just see a lot of Presto stickers. A lot of Presto stickers, and you know what it's doing? It's saying Presto to my money in my account. Just like a magic trick. No, not it. That ain't it. Final spin. This is for all the leftover cracked marbles in the box. Hopefully you get them. Come on. The sticker's off my screen. Oh, there's nothing. There's nothing. No chance at all. Alright, guys. Like I said before, thank you for watching. Catch you guys on the next one. Peace. Bye. Adios. Sayonara.